Meaning of glimmering.
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 Glimmering. Glimmering is an adjective that refers to something that is shining faintly with a wavering light, often used to describe objects that are reflected in water or seen through a mist. The term can also be used metaphorically to describe something that appears only briefly, or is just barely visible. For example, a glimmering hope implies a slight possibility of success amid overwhelming odds. In general, the term conveys a sense of fragility and evanescence, suggesting that the object or idea in question is fleeting and precarious.